Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Genie. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Tom Hardy to not return for Mobland Season 3 after clashes with producers report. Reports suggest that Tom Hardy's behavior on set irked the producers who threatened to quit Mobland. While he will be seen in Season 2, Tom's future in Season 3 remains uncertain, while the Marine Corps updated on 23rd May 2026. Hollywood heavyweight Tom Hardy played an important character in the British crime drama television series Mobland. Just months after wrapping production on its highly anticipated second season, reports suggest that he has been fired from the series and will not return for a potential season 3 read-on. Tom Hardy fired from Mobland over on-set behavior. Oscar-nominated actor Tom Hardy plays the pivotal role of mob fixer Harry the Sugar in Mobland. He has been part of the first two seasons, but apparently he was not asked to return to film season 3. The decision reportedly stems from a series of escalating clashes between the star and the show's producers. Multiple publications, including The Hollywood Reporter, suggest that the relationship between Hardy and the production team deteriorated significantly during the filming of season 2, which wrapped in March. Sources allege that the 48-year-old actor has rising issues with executive producer Jez Butterworth, 101 Studios, and others. A report by Puck News claimed that Hardy allegedly delayed production by arriving hours late to the set. When he did arrive, he reportedly disrupted the filming by giving notes on the script, rewriting dialogues, and being off with the cast, which includes Helen Mirren and Pierce Brosnan. The tension reportedly increased with the showrunner, writer, and executive producer Jess Butterworth. It escalated so much that Butterworth threatened to walk away from the hit series. Hence, Paramount Plus and 101 Studios decided to take a strong step against Hardy. However, sources reveal that he has not yet been fired, but there is a possibility of that happening soon. Reports suggest that Hardy grew deeply frustrated as the script shifted focus away from his individual character arc to accommodate the star-studded ensemble. Major portals like Variety and Deadline mentioned that Paramount Plus opted not to pick up Hardy for future seasons, while season 2 is locked and Phil will feature Hardy writing his character out of a potential season 3 could be a massive challenge owing to his popularity and the key role that the Venom actor plays in this series. For more updates, stay tuned to Pinkvilla. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.